For Aksha, I'm Anna Samovska with your news. Actor Michael Douglas put himself in the spotlight a few weeks ago, claiming that his throat cancer was linked to oral sex. Now, we do know that's quite possible, of course, as 60% of throat cancer cases are linked to the human papillomavirus. Now, though, researchers are saying they've developed a blood test that can detect oral cancer in people at risk, possibly years before diagnosis. Samples of the study came from 500,000 adults in 10 European countries. The National Cancer Institute analyzed 135 of these cases, of which they found that 1/3 of the patients had antibodies against a specific HPV infection in their blood, sometimes up to 12 years before diagnosis. So what exactly does this mean for treating oral cancers? Aksha's medical director, Dr. Gilbert Ross, explains.
For oropharyngeal cancer, it doesn't mean anything to treating the disease. You still have to treat the disease that you find. If a clinician detects this type of cancer, certain modalities have to be initiated, including surgical treatment, radiation treatment, and possibly chemotherapy. But the fact that more and more oropharyngeal cancers are being detected associated with HPV-16 means that the traditional demographics or epidemiology of oropharyngeal cancer has been turned sort of on its side. About 60% of those oropharyngeal cancers are now associated with HPV-16. If we could detect those particular viral antigens or the antibodies to them, we might be able to do more intensive screening, for instance, of those people who are at a higher risk of oropharyngeal cancer, and we find HPV present either directly or with antibody tests. We can be more assiduous in screening those people, looking for a lesion. So we actually have a vaccine that can protect people from cancer. This is something that researchers have been seeking for a long time. The sad thing is that the vaccine is not being utilized as effectively as it should be.
For this story and others, head to our website, hsdispatch.com, and don't forget, you can also sign up for our daily newsletter. For Aksha, I'm Anna Samovska.